Morning everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. Open your book to page number 122. Look at the bottom of your book. It should say 122, 122. And let's start writing the date. So what is the date today? It is 16th of April, which is the 4th month, 2020. So there we go. This is our date. Now put your finger on number 4 and let's see what they're asking us to do. So, draw a line to match the solid to its guys. So they have given us 4 solids and they have given us these names and we have to match each solid to its correct name. Now let's go through the names first. We have a cube, then we have sphere, then we have cylinder, cone. Let's go through the names again. Cube, sphere, cylinder, cone. Okay, now let's match the solids to its correct name. The first one, let's go through the solids first. The first one seems like a cone to me. Then, what do you think? Which one is this? This is a cube. Then we have a sphere. And then, at last, we have a cylinder. So let's start matching now. I will match the first one, which is the cone. Right here. There we go. Okay, the next one is a cube. So the first word is cube. Let's match it up. Then we have sphere, which is right here. And at last we have cylinder. There we go, guys. Okay, now put your finger on number 5 and let's read the instructions. It says shade the object for each fractional part. Okay, this one is fun. I love fractions. The first one is a diamond and the fraction says 1/2. It means that we need to divide our diamond into 2 parts. And should they be equal parts? I think yes, we have to divide our diamond into 2 equal parts. So let's draw a line first. There we go. Okay. And how many parts are shaded? Only one part is shaded. So I'm going to shade this part. Like this. Okay. So now 1/2 of my diamond is shaded. Now let's see. The next one, we have an oval and what is the fraction? It is 1/4 or 1/4. So I need to divide my oval into 4 equal parts. Let's see. This is my first line like this. How many parts did I get as yet? 1 and 2. And now I'm going to draw a line over here. Now let's count the parts first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have 4 parts and I need to shade only one part. So I'm going to shade this part. Now 1/4 or 1/4 of my oval is shaded. Let's move to the next shape. The fraction is 1/3. It means that the shape is divided into 3 equal parts. And how many parts do I have to shade? I have to shade only one part. Let's count the parts first. We have 1, 2 and 3. So 3 parts in total and 1 part is shaded. There we go. And remember guys, in fractions, we always have to divide into equal parts. There we go. Alright, now last one. I have 1/5 is my fraction. So let's see. Now this one is tricky. Remember, we did this before as well. I'm going to use this point. This is for my help, okay? So first I'm going to draw a line over here. Then I will use all of these corners and I will match it to the point. 1, 2, 3 and my last corner is from here like this. Now guys, I got one extra line which is this one, so I will erase it like this. Now let's count the parts first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts in total. Okay, and how many do I have to shade? Only one part. So I will start shading this one. like this. Now 1/5 of my shape is shaded. There we go, guys. Wasn't this easy and fun? Okay guys, now put your finger on number 6 and let's read the word problem. God, I love doing word problems. Okay, so let's read and let's see what they're asking us to do. Todd is 15 years old. Dick is 8 years old. How many years older is Todd than Dick? Okay, so how can we find out the difference? For the difference, we need to subtract. So we know what we have to do over here. Now let's see. Todd is 15 years old. So I'm going to write 15. Dick is 8 years old. So I'll write 8 over here and then I will subtract. What will I do? I will write 15 over here. Then 8 goes here and I'm going to subtract it. So 15 goes in my mind since it's the bigger number, and I will take 8 fingers out and I will count off backwards from 15 because this is subtraction. So 15 is in my mind, then I have 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7. So my final answer is 7. So I will go to my book now. And I will write 15 minus 8 is equal to 7 years. There we go, guys. Wasn't this fun? Guys, now flip your page and go to page number 123. Look at the bottom of your book. It should say 123. And let's read. Put your finger on number 7. It says subtract. Now, guys, this is simple subtraction. So let's start doing it. The first one is 12 minus 3. So the bigger number is 12. 12 goes in my mind and I will take 3 fingers out and I will count backwards from 12. So I have 11, 10 and 9. Let's write 9 over here. Then the next one is 16 minus 7. So 16 goes in my mind since it's a bigger number and I will take 7 fingers out and count backwards from 16. So I have 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. So my final answer is 9. Okay. Then I have 11 minus 2. So 11 goes in my mind since it's the bigger number and I will take 2 fingers out and count backwards from 11. So 10 and 9. There we go. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Now guys, I'm going to give you a while. You finish it up and then we will match our answers. Guys, I hope everyone's done by now. So let's start matching our answers. Then we have, I think we did till here, right? Okay, so we have 11 minus 2, which is equal to 9. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9. Now let's move to the next row. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now let's go to the next row. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Then we have 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Then the next row, 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Let's move to the last row now. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. And 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. I hope all of you got these right.